Good morning. Video message for Gavin. Gavin, how you doing? Nice to hear from you again. Thank you for buying the beautiful 024. Hope you love the saw. It's just I still laugh at some of the questions I get on eBay about what's the condition like, and she's absolutely gorgeous. So hope you love the saw, and I'll show her running one last time. She's only started, wasn't she, yesterday, so she'd always be an amazing priming engine. Much appreciated. It's so nice to deal with genuine people, and on that note as well, shout out Stuart in Scotland, Duncan in Scotland. I deal with some really great guys. Gavin, hope you love the saw, and I hope we deal again very soon. Stay safe. Bye for now.